Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decor Diary, your go-to place for fresh and trending home decor inspiration. Is your kitchen always feeling cramped, cluttered and messy no matter how much you clean it? Well, you are not alone. In 2025, small kitchens are more common than ever. But the good news is you don't need a massive budget or a huge renovation to make your space feel bigger, smarter, and more stylish. In this video, I am going to share clever kitchen organization hacks, space saving storage tricks, and smart design tips that will transform even the tiniest kitchen into a functional and beautiful space. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to organize your kitchen smartly and make every corner for you. If you loved home decor, smart organization, and budget friendly design inspiration, you are in the right place. Make sure hit that subscribe button and join our cozy community. We share fresh home ideas every day. The very first step to organizing your kitchen smartly is decluttering, and I don't just mean a quick tidy up. I mean really looking at what you use daily, what's just taking up space. Open your cabinet and drawers and ask yourself, do I really need 5 spatulas, 3 blenders, or old pans that I never touch? Probably not. The rule of thumb is simple. If you have not used it in the last 6 months, it's time to donate, recycle, or repurpose it. This is simple step can instantly free up space and make room for things that actually matter in your kitchen. Once you have a decluttered, let's talk about vertical space. Most kitchens have plenty of unused wall space, and this is your golden opportunity. Install wall mounted racks, magnetic knife strips, or even hanging shelves for jars and spices. A simple pegboard can hold pans, utensils, and mugs while doubling as a stylish design feature. And here a clever hack: if you have high ceiling, add an extra shelf above your cabinets to store used appliances or bulk ingredients. You will be amazed and how much vertical storage can change the game. Deep drawers often become messy black holes, but you can fix that with dividers, pull-out trays, or tiered ranks for cabinet and pull-out baskets to make items more accessible. No more bending and searching endlessly for that one missing lid. This organizer does not just make your kitchen neater, they also save you precious time during cooking, and honestly, nothing feels better than pulling open a drawer and seeing everything neatly in its place. Small kitchen needs furniture that work extra hard. If you are short on corner space, consider a foldable kitchen, island or rolling cot can be tucked away when not in use and pulled out when you need extra prep area. Some foldable tables even double as dining spot, making them perfect for studio apartment in 2025. Multifunctional furniture has become super trendy. Think cutting board that sit over the sink or extendable ranks that fit perfectly into awkward corner. Now let's go a little deeper and explore more ideas that will not only keep your kitchen organized but also make it looks stylish. The first tip is using vertical space. Most of us only focus on countertops and cabinet, but the wall are just a valuable. You can add magnetic strips, hanging racks, or open shelves to display spices, mugs, or utensils. This saves space while giving your kitchen a modern designer feel. Next, think about pulled out organizer. If you have deep cabinet where things often get lost, sliding trays or baskets are a lifesaver. They make everything easy to reach and keep your storage clutter free. Another smart idea is multi-purpose furniture. In a small kitchen, every piece should work double duty. A foldable dining table, a kitchen island with storage or stool that can be tucked away neatly. All these can make your kitchen more functional without taking up extra space. Here's a simple hack that instantly make a big difference. Clear counter, transparent jars and boxes help you see what you have at a glance. No more searching through bags and packets. Plus, your pantry will look neat, clean, and super organized. And don't forget about lighting under cabinet. LED strips not only make cooking easier but also create a warm and welcoming vibe. Good lighting can make even a tiny kitchen feel bigger and more modern. Finally, add a touch of greenery, fresh herbs like basil, mint, or coriander in small pots. Brighten up your space and are useful in cooking too. It's little detail that brings freshness and life to your kitchen. So, friends, these were a few more smart and stylish tips to transform your kitchen in 2025 with just a little planning. Any kitchen, big or small, can become functional, beautiful, and totally stress free. If you enjoy these ideas, make sure to give this video a like. Drop a comment with your favorite tip and share it with friends or family who might also love these hacks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Decor Diary for more cozy home decor ideas, practical organization tips, and styling design inspiration to make your home a place you truly love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more beautiful decor ideas.